You're not broke because there's no money. You're broke because you're selling to people who don't have it. In the US, the top 10% hold nearly 70% of the wealth. The top 1% alone owns more than the bottom 90% combined. So let me ask you something. Why are you competing for the bottom $2 when the real money is sitting at the top? Most businesses make one massive mistake. They sell a $100 product to someone who would happily pay $1,000. And that's worse than selling a $1,000 product to someone with $100. Because in the first scenario, you lose $100. In the second, you lose $900. Here's the shift. Instead of trying to get more customers, get better customers. Use the 80-20 rule. 20% of your customers will create 80% of your profit. And within that 20%, a tiny 4% creates the majority of it. That means one high-paying client can equal hundreds of low-paying ones. Let's say 400 people buy something for $50 and you make $25 profit each. Or one person buys something for $10,000 and it costs you $2,000 to deliver. Same profit. Which life sounds easier? Rich buyers think in value. Poor buyers think in price. Rich buyers want it fast, easy, guaranteed, and they'll pay for that. So here's your move. Raise your prices 5 times to 10 times your next tier. Expect more no's. But when the right person says yes, it changes everything. Stop selling from your own wallet. Go where the money is. Because if you sell to rich people long enough, they'll make you one of them.